TikTok is no longer just a social media platform. It is very quickly turning into an e-commerce powerhouse. With the announcement and launch of TikTok shops now where you can buy and sell goods inside of TikTok directly, it has unlocked a massive amount of opportunity for both sellers and influencers to make a lot of money. And one of the tools inside of TikTok shops that is very powerful that I don't think a lot of people are utilizing right now is the TikTok shops affiliate. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what this TikTok shops affiliate is, how to set it up, how to make more money from using it, and I'm even going to show you how to send direct offers to influencers so that you have the highest likelihood to get even more sales for your shop. So be sure to stick around at the end for that. So in order to take advantage of the TikTok shops affiliate program, you of course will need to have a TikTok shop set up first. If you aren't familiar with that process or how to do that, I have a full video link down below that will walk you through that process. Be sure to pause this video, go through and set up your shop, and then come back to this point right here. Once you've set up your shop, you will see a dashboard that looks something like this. Now, TikTok is testing new things very often. So before, the affiliate bar was up here at the top, but now it's here on the left-hand side. So they're always testing a new UI. So just keep that in mind, but you'll see something here that says affiliate. It will take you to a page that looks like this, where you can go through and see some of the perks of the TikTok shops affiliate program, including increased sales up to 85% for sellers who are using the affiliate program. And I 100% believe this because I've seen shops blow up from this affiliate program. There are over 5,000 creators to choose from, and there's no upfront fees, which I think makes this a no-brainer, which means there's no risk to your business. You only pay if you actually get a sale on the platform from this affiliate program. So basically the way that it works is the seller connects directly with the content creators or posts their products onto the creator marketplace. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. From there, creators can go through and tag those, make videos or live streams featuring those products directly inside of TikTok and tagging them in the videos. And then of course, customers can go through and buy those products inside of TikTok shops. We're going to get started here and actually start this whole process. And once you get inside of here, it's going to greet you with 3 different plan options. And I want to briefly explain the difference between all 3 of these. So the first one is the shop plan. It's kind of the shotgun approach and the easiest way to get set up. Basically, you go through and all of your products will show up on TikTok Marketplace at a set commission fee that you set. So if you wanted all of your products on there to be 15% commission fee, you can just click here and I'll show you how to set that up. The next one is the open plan. The open plan is for if you have a product that you maybe want to give a higher or a lower commission for. So you have a bestseller that you know sells really well, and instead of offering a 15% commission, you want to give a 20% commission in order to really incentivize somebody to come through. Or you don't want to give an affiliate offer on all of the products on your website. You only want to give an affiliate offer on, maybe 2 or 3 of the products. The open plan is a better option for you. And then finally, you have the targeted plan. And the targeted plan actually lets you send direct messages to influencers and invite them to make a video for your product. And you can give a custom affiliate commission to them for that as well. And you can run all 3 of these plans at the same time. And I'm going to go through and show you how to set them up right now. So let's start with the shop plan. So you can see once you get inside of this shop plan, you can see here at the top, your entire product catalog will be available in the product marketplace. So keep that in mind. Whatever products are in your marketplace, they're going to show up here with the affiliate offer. So we want to go through and hit create. So all we need to do is come down here and click on create plan. From here, you can set the commissions. So remember, all of the products inside of your catalog will then show up on the marketplace and offering a commission for anybody who makes a video on those. So the average is that they suggest is 15%. That's kind of the floor. You can do anywhere from 1 to 80%, but we're going to do 15% here for this offer. And we're just going to hit submit. And just like that, we have set up our affiliate plan and our products are going to be showing up inside of the marketplace. And I'll show you what that looks like as a creator, how they can find those products here in just a minute. And if for whatever reason you did ever want to cancel your shop plan, you can go through and do that just by hitting cancel plan, or you can change the affiliate commission. But now let's move on to the open plan and show you how this works. So as I mentioned, we're going to go through and hit this little create button. And instead of doing a blanket approach, now we can actually go through and select a specific catalog. So let's take this pickleball paddle right here. And you can see I can offer a plan for this one. Say that I wanted this one to have a 20% commission rate. I can go through and do that inside of there. You can see there is this little option here to add a description where you can kind of go through and sell a little bit more about your product, the main features or benefits of it. You can go through and type that in so the influencer sees that and kind of knows what to say. We're going to go through and hit submit here. And just like that, now we have a shop plan and an open plan running at the same time. Like I said, if you don't want all of your products running on an affiliate program, then you're going to want to do the open plan and select specific ones. Or if you want all of them running, then only run the shop plan. So now we've gone through and created a shop plan and an open plan. We're going to talk about the targeted plan next, but I do want to show you how your products look for a creator when they're searching for it. So if you go into, when a creator's inside of the TikTok marketplace and they go through and search for these, we're going to search for backcourt pickleball. You can see there's our paddles right there. And you'll notice when I click on that, now it's saying me as an influencer, I can earn up to $3.75 on each one sold. There's a 15% commission rate. And then it has the pickleball paddles, the amount sold, the description. I can go through and view the shop and add that to my profile as well. And when an influencer goes through and adds that product, this is what it ends up looking like on the actual TikTok. You can see there in the bottom left-hand corner, there's that little shop thing. And when you click on that, you can see there is the actual product where if they go through and buy through that link, then the influencer is going to get the commission for the sale. And you, of course, are going to get paid out as the seller. So the last different campaign that you can do is something called a targeted plan. And this one is very interesting because it actually allows you to directly send messages to people through the TikTok marketplace to creators that you can go through and choose and kind of be nitpicky on which ones you're sending videos to so they can go through and create videos for your products. So we're going to go through and select the products. You can do one or multiple. We want to go through and give a plan name. So we're just going to call this test one, test whatever you want to do. You want to go through and do a start and an end date to this campaign. So basically when you're sending this to creators, this is how long of time they have to go through and make the video. Then from here, obviously we have the product. We can go through and select a specific commission rate. So if we're sending this to influencers and we really want them to go through and do this, we probably want to give them a higher commission. So for here, we're going to say a 30% for anybody who goes through and gets sales on this pickleball paddle. Now this is where you can go through and select specific users. And if you don't know which creators you want to go through and find, TikTok has actually come up with a really great tool. It's this little creator connect tool here on the right hand side. If you click on that, it's going to take you to a library where you can go through and search for specific niches. So you can see here that there's all sorts of different filters that you can go through and do. Now this isn't all of the creators inside of TikTok. It's only the ones that are part of the affiliate program. And I think there's some other stipulations as well. So do keep that in mind. You won't find every single creator inside of here, but you can see this gives you lots of helpful information. You can see the followers that the current creator has. You can see the average video views and the average live views as well. And you can filter by ascending or descending. You can go through on the main categories and switch into all of these different categories. If you want to go home and lifestyle, you can click that down and there's even more drop downs where you can see the top creators in that niche. You can also go through and search certain creators, and you can go through and filter by specific follower size, age, or gender as well. So this is a great tool to go through and find creators that you want to send direct messages to and say, hey, you want to make a video about my product? If so, I'll give you a special coupon where you can get 30% or all the way up to 80% when you go through and sell. So we're just going to go through one of my profiles. We're going to send this to House to Home DIY. And so you can see what this looks like. Once that's all done, you can send this up to 30 different creators. We're going to hit submit. It wants me to go through and add the plan date here, submit here. Like, what's the error? From there, it's going to say, congratulations. It's going to send that invite to the creator. And now I want to go through and show you what that looks like on the creator's inbox. So once you've gone through and sent that to the creators, what they'll see inside of their platform, if they come here to their TikTok Shops Creator Center, in the top right hand corner, they click on those three dots or the notification bell there at the top. It will take them to their notifications. And if you click over to partners, I went through and clicked the notification to make sure it was there, but there will be a little dot. You can see there is my invitation to go through and add this to my store. If I click on inside of it, you can see there's the special 30% commission rate. This is a very targeted way to find influencers to go through and make content for your product and then give them a nice affiliate commission. Now, a few other things that I just want to cover that you can do inside of this affiliate center is you can go through and have sample requests. So when you go through and create your shop plan and open plan, people will request samples and these will show up here. You'll see a list of creators and you can go through and approve those samples and then send them free samples so they'll go through and create content for you. So this is a great way to find creators that might be interested in making videos about your content, and it only costs you the cost of goods sold to send your product over to them. Once you start seeing sales from these affiliates, you'll see a data overview here where you have the plan analytics and then individual creator analytics. So you can start seeing which creators are actually driving the most sales for you and maybe reach out to them, maybe send them over a special deal. You'll see all the orders inside of here and then your account. So it gives you a full overview of what's happening inside of your TikTok affiliate shop. So hopefully now you understand just how powerful of an opportunity this is for your store to go through and really boost sales and take advantage of all of the creators inside of TikTok by offering them an affiliate offer. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn more about TikTok shops, TikTok ads, and everything in between, be sure to subscribe because I'll be making more content around this, and we'll see you in the next one.